This video is going to show you how to use the Subpage contents feature in Google Sites to make your electronic portfolio. So I've created a page underneath my page, and it is called Ethnographic Portfolio Demo. And so you would create this page right underneath your profile page, and of course it'll be blank when you start. So you can see that I've added a picture, and I've also added one page called Introduction. You know, you could choose to put your introduction right here on this page if you'd like, or you could make it have its own page. But let me show you what I did here. I included an image that clicks through right to the post where the image originally appeared, which is some good web manners. And I also put an image credit called 1,000 Awesome Things, which I've actually linked right to the blog itself. But we'll tackle that in another video. For now, I'm going to show you what I did to make all this happen. Alright, so you see I've created one subpage already called Introduction, which you may or may not create. I'm going to go ahead and save this so it's blank for now. And first thing I'm going to do is show you how to add the subpage contents, which is pretty easy. So you're going to edit your page, go to Insert, Subpage Listing, and then you're going to tell it what you'd like it to be titled. So I think that I want to call it Portfolio Contents, which is not terribly exciting. You can come up with a better title if you'd like. So show the subpages of the current page, and this is going to be whatever you've named your ethnographic portfolio. And the width is automatically set at 250 pixels. I think I'm going to go ahead and make that 400. You can make it however you want. And I'm going to leave the appearance this way. So I think that I'd like it to be on the right hand side. You can choose for it to be in the center. Depending on how many pixels you make it, you could pretty much make it look however you want. And I'm going to turn the wrap on in case I want to put, because I'm going to put that image back over here in a little bit. So here's my portfolio contents, and right now they're showing Introduction as you've already seen. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and there it is. So now I'm going to make a new page to show up in my portfolio contents. And just going off the list that we have here from our portfolio page, which you can get to right on the side navigation bar of our site. The next thing I'm going to choose to have is my original project proposals. So I'm going to go ahead and create a page. I want it to be underneath my page, Ethnographic Portfolio Demo. And I'm going to name it Project Proposals. So I might have two different kinds of project proposals here. But I'm going to make another page. And if you didn't see what I just did there, it's only giving me two choices here. Put it at the top level or put it under project proposals. So I want it to be in a different place. I actually want it to be underneath my ethnographic portfolio. And this new page is going to be called Working Project Draft. Or you could call it Rough Draft, or whatever you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and create that page. And you could choose to include your working project draft in a number of ways. Since it's going to be a Google Doc, you might want to include it as a Google Doc. And so what you would do there would be to go up to Insert, choose Document, and it's going to give you a whole list of your Google Docs documents. So you're going to pick one. For now, I'm going to cancel. And then it'll show up in your working project draft. Just to show you an example of what that would look like, over in grade distributions, I've inserted a Google Doc right into my document, or right into my page here. So I'm going to go back here. I didn't save my draft, but thankfully Google Sites saves my draft for me. So that's awesome. Alright, so let's go back to the portfolio demo page here. Now you can see that the portfolio contents include introduction, project proposals, working project draft. Now you also see these subpages down here, and you're thinking, what's the point of having this thing if I already have these things? Well, the point is that you can, I don't know, it looks better. You can name it, and you can order it. So in order to get rid of this stuff, so it's not redundant, you can go over here to More Actions, choose Page Settings, and tell it to get rid of this stuff. Disallow comments, disallow attachments, don't show links to the subpages. You probably want to have your page title showing. So now that looks a lot cleaner. So when I click on any of these, it's going to take me to those pages. And so you see attachments and comments is still here. Again, you can go over here to Page Settings, get rid of that stuff. Then it's not going to show up anymore. And that is how you use the subpage listing feature in your ethnographic portfolio.